think of the border of your country and the soldiers you place there. That's loose areolar tissue. Hello, my dear friends. I'm Dr. Vaishali Bharambe, Professor Anatomy. We're going to learn 5 connective tissue slides that's all. So, classification of connective tissues. So, see, take a look. The loose connective tissue, for example, loose areolar tissue, will have plenty of cells, but abundant ground substance. How many fibers? Few. So, variable amount of cells, fibers, ground substance decides the kind of tissue. I'm going to start discussing loose connective tissue. It's highly cellular. How many fibers? Just very few. Abundant ground substance. So, what are the functions of this loose areolar tissue? Important for passage of nutrition. It's crucial in defense. Let's now move on to a diagram. Ground substance, collagen fibers, elastic fibers, fibroblasts, which are of course producing these, and a lot of other cells. We now go to dense connective tissue. So dense regular connective tissue has got collagen fibers that are densely packed. Cells are fibroblasts, of course. Best to see an image of it. You can see how collagen fibers literally placed in military precision parallel to each other, and in between them peeking out are the fibroblasts which produce them. Right. Dense irregular. So collagen fibers densely packed. Ground substance is relatively less compared to loose connective tissue. Function is variable, bearing the variable pulls on that tissue. Example, dermis of skin, joint capsule. So let's take a look at this diagram. You can see collagen fibers arranged in bundles in different directions. We now go to adipose tissue. When a lot of unilocular adipocytes come together, they form an adipose tissue. Where will you find it? Under your skin, in the superficial fascia, in your buttock region. So here take a look at this beautiful diagram which shows you large empty polygonal cells. You can see that there's a thin rim of cytoplasm and a flattened nucleus which is placed at the periphery. Let's now go to the last bit, the mesenchyme. The mesenchyme is the primitive connective tissue. It's capable of giving rise to many other tissues. It shows you star-shaped tiny little cells, abundant ground substance, and few collagen fibers. So what is this? Yes, it's the umbilical cord. It has got a lot of this connective tissue which is called mucoid connective tissue. It's jelly-like, okay? So it'll have tiny little stellate connective tissue cells, a lot of ground substance and a few fibers. I hope you enjoyed yourself. If you're liking my lectures, do please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. Bye.